want to have some fun today. I want to have some fun.
Let's also try the JustEGG.
I'm gonna go out on a solo outing. What the hell just happened?
So I want to have bibimbap again because I have some of the leftover veggies, but I kind of want to try this JustEGG. So I think I'm gonna cook a little bit of this up and eat it with bibimbap. Am I supposed to scramble it right away? I guess so. Okay, it seems to cook pretty fast, which is good. I think I may have scrambled it too early though. Am I supposed to add salt? There's a lot of questions. I feel like I didn't do this right. Okay, I'm gonna use the rest of these. Another bibimbap. Okay, let's also try the JustEGG. I wanted to originally mix it in here, but I feel like I wouldn't be able to taste the JustEGG, so kept it out. I haven't even washed my face. All right, let's try this JustEGG. Okay, it doesn't really taste like much. Like it's kind of good, but like, I don't know. Is it an egg? It's good though. It tastes good. I used to eat my eggs with ketchup. It's almost like it grows on you. Like I feel the flavor more as I chew it more. In the beginning, I'm like, it doesn't taste like anything. But I feel like the ketchup is gonna overpower. I feel like with the ketchup, it tastes more eggy to me for some reason. Pretty good. I'm down. Actually, with ketchup, it's actually quite nice. Okay. Time to eat breakfast. Same as yesterday's lunch. Bibimbap.
All right, friends, I've been so lazy all morning. It's now noon and I'm still feeling like really lazy. Probably because I drank last night. So I'm not like hungover. I'm just like kind of tired and lazy. I also haven't had coffee. I might have a coffee. I think that'll motivate me. I think what I will do today, I want to have some fun today. I want to have some fun. Okay. I'm going to go out on a solo outing. I feel like I never like do stuff. Like I do a lot of things alone and I really like being alone. You know, obviously I chill at home alone, which I love. And I go on walks and stuff, but I don't like do like other stuff other than like walking. Maybe I'll go shopping. Like, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll watch a movie tonight. But first, what I want to do is, I'm probably gonna have lunch here, but I'm not hungry yet. So I'm gonna do something that's been on my to-do list for so long. First, I want to work on a few TikToks and Instagram reels and stuff like that. While I do that, I'll drink some coffee, which I will make right now. Let's not look at my day, but there's still stuff on it. First, I'm gonna make some coffee, just an espresso. And then I also wanna clean my office just a little bit, AKA the disaster room, so I don't know. And after that, I will have lunch, because I'll probably be hungry. And then after I have lunch is when I will go on an adventure. Because like, you know, the thing is, when I lived in London, can you see me? Oh my God, I haven't used this in so long. I usually make coffee from here now because I'm lazy, but I think today I'll have an espresso. Okay, what do I want? What do I want? I think this is espresso. I'm not sure. So, I used to, when I was in London, do a lot of fun stuff because I was living in London. and I was like, there's so much to do. And then, you know, I feel like I don't do that much here. And I'm like, you know what? Sure, we're not in London, okay? I feel like I can do fun things. I can try. Anyway, I hope you're liking this very casual vlog, people. The amount of joy I get from a cup of coffee. Is there anything better? So I said I'd clean my office, but I didn't. Instead, all I did was work on the reels and TikToks and stuff like that. But that stuff has been on my to-do list for a long time, so I'm not even mad about it. I did a bunch of different reels, TikToks, worked on all that, and it took longer than expected as usual. So yeah, I will clean the office another day. It will maintain the chaos room for a while. Anyway, now I'm gonna have lunch. It's been like, I don't know, a couple hours now, so I'm a bit hungry. And I'm gonna have lunch, and then I think I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head out. I will bring my laptop. I might go to a cafe and like do some work, but I need to like do stuff. I need to like join civilization. Okay, let's have lunch. So I have this red bell pepper that I roasted like a few days ago because I felt like it was going bad. So I just like roasted it so that I can, I don't know, put it into a pasta. So I think I'm just gonna make like a roasted pepper pasta sauce. Yeah, that's the plan. Oat milk, roasted bell pepper, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and salt. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, it's having a little bit of a hard time blending. Let's try it though. Delicious. What do I want to add more of? Maybe a little lemon juice? I have some Eve's vegan turkey slices. I'm just gonna add that into my pasta, I guess. These are pretty high in protein, so I like it. There's that. I'm just gonna make a big salad. Bit of red wine vinegar, Italian seasoning, and then I love to add a little bit of truffle oil. Look at me being bougie. Honestly, you don't even need that much. Also, truffle oil, if you buy like online and just like have it at home, it's not that expensive because like one of these lasts so long. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. I'm gonna add some of the veggie turkey in here. Maybe I'll add it all. Yeah. Yay! Why does it seem like such a tiny serving? I feel like one serving of spaghetti looks bigger. Is it just me? So tiny. Looks delicious though. There's my lunch. I have also the salad. We got some protein in there from the vegan turkey. And then, yeah, I'm gonna watch some TV, finish this. Then I'm gonna finally head out somewhere. That was so good. I'm gonna have a little dessert. This is a Korean rice cake thing. It's kind of like mochi, actually. It's very soft. And I'm gonna have a couple pieces. There's like a powder, like a kind of a sweetened powder on top. And then it's like a chewy rice cake. So good. I'm gonna heat it up slightly and then enjoy that for dessert. Also gonna drink some bubbly with it. Eat. All right, friends. Plans keep changing because I'm being lazy. Originally, I wanted to go watch House of Gucci, which is still in theater, but it's like sparingly. But I think it's too late for that because I still gotta go on a long walk. My life is so difficult. So I think what I'll do is just put on a little makeup, go for a walk, then go to a cafe, do a little work, have dinner, and then I might see a movie. Apparently it's a movie. What's it called? It's with like Benedict Cumberbatch. I love his name. The movie is called The Power of the Dog. It's new. I haven't even heard of it. So I might go see that actually because it's playing a little bit later than House of Gucci, which I feel like I don't have time to go watch House of Gucci. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. I feel like, oh, I painted my nails as well as I was procrastinating. Anyways, time to put on some makeup. All right, there you go. There's my makeup. I might need a little lip action. Wow. There you go. Do I look better? I look a little more alive. I need to actually go outside. Why is this so difficult? Okay, is this not the creepiest thing you've ever seen? What the? What? What? So I checked out a new coffee shop that I haven't been to before. So that was a nice little experience. Now the sun is down. I was there for about an hour and a half. It is cold. I'm freezing. It was a lot nicer during the day. Now I am very cold. But I'm sure if I power walk, it'll be better. Whoa, okay, what is up with these? Like, is anyone else creeped out? Oh my God. Okay, look at this, guys. What the hell? Look at this. You know, this city has a lot of potential, but like nobody lives. There's like no one around. Everyone's just like in their suburban homes. Anyways, it's cold. I am very glad I got out of the house, checked out a new cafe. I think I'm gonna try to do that more often. I think before COVID, if I remember, like, was there life before COVID? I feel like before COVID, I would go to coffee shops often and like stuff like that. And also I should just explore more, just do things, you know? I want to do more things. Is this not going to haunt your nightmares? Like, what the fuck? Anyway, skyline looks nice. There's our tower. I was actually here last night. I went to the same neighborhood as I did last night when we went to go eat. Do you ever feel a little bored of life? Like, not just bored, like I have nothing to do. Obviously, we all have lots to do, probably. We're all very busy. But if you ever want to feel something, maybe just try out a new place, you know? Wander around your own city as if you were a tourist. I wanted to do that today a little more. I wanted to actually like walk around to a different neighborhood and like go into shops and stuff, but I was being lazy today. But I still went to like a new coffee shop to do my work. It's just nice to just play tourist sometimes until we actually get to be tourists. Hi friends, so I am back. We're gonna just eat some dinner. I'm literally just gonna eat leftovers again. Why is this my life? I just have a lot of leftovers, so I figure I should eat my leftovers. I have the couscous salad. I think I'm gonna eat it warm. I also have these, like, what are these called? What are these called? You guys know what I'm talking about. What are these? Greek, stuffed things? Anyway, oh, that seems like a lot. Oh well. I gotta finish it. Plus, I'm gonna have some of my chickpeas, my braised chickpeas. You know what? I need some vegetables. I also have this veggie soup. Again, leftovers. Just gonna heat up a little bit, not all of it. There's like lentils in here. Ooh, I also have corn. Hi, corn. There you go. Here's my random dinner, couscous salad. I just cooked up a little bit of broccoli quickly. I have a piece of corn and some braised chickpeas and then some veggie lentil soup. All leftovers, yay! I forgot to add a very crucial component, my tahini dressing. I was gonna just put some on top here of everything a little bit, keep things interesting. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha on the broccoli. There you go, yay! Soup, random bowl, time to eat. So I just relaxed a little bit on the couch and now I am gonna go see a movie by myself. I haven't seen a movie by myself in the longest time and I'm gonna go and watch a movie, like in the theater by myself, okay? It's a cute little independent theater. I'm gonna watch this movie called The Power of the Dog. Very interesting name. Anyways, I'm gonna change first because it's kind of cold. I'm gonna get comfy and then go see the movie. So exciting. Dress for comfort. I'm back from watching Power of the Dog, a movie which, I mean, it was really great to watch a movie by myself. It was actually really nice. I think I'm gonna do it more often. It was kind of relaxing, really good, just chilling, like not talking to anybody. But the movie was kind of confusing, so now I'm like, I want to discuss it with somebody. If you guys have seen The Power of the Dog, maybe you thought the same at the end of the movie. It would be nice to discuss it with somebody at this moment so that I could be like, what the hell just happened? But that's okay. That's what Google is for. I'm probably gonna Google some stuff because I need to know what happened. Anyways, I'm just gonna wash up now and then go to bed, Google what was the meaning behind Power of the Dog. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been liking just kind of casual vlogging, just kind of lifestyle, vegan food and lifestyle vlog. Yeah. If you guys like this sort of video, let me know down below in the comments. And of course, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.